The recently elected alt-right government is trying to perform a coup d'etat under the pretense of a reform of the legal system. The government says that the Israeli legal system, which was based mainly on the British legal system that was here before it, and has been built and formatted for the past 75 years, is completely broken. Otherwise, there will be no real democracy in Israel. They base their claim on the unique legal system that exists in Israel. Like a few other countries in the world, Israel doesn't have a constitution. Our Bill of Independence is mainly declarative. What we do have is our basic laws, which are meant to serve as the backbone of the legal system. 30 years ago, the Supreme Court began treating them somewhat like a constitution, which means that the Knesset can't make up a law that goes against the basic laws. These laws can still be changed, but it's a harder process and gets much more public attention. It's not the greatest substitute for a constitution, but it's the best we have since no Knesset has ever created one. In addition to that, the Supreme Court has created several principles that it deemed essential, even though the Knesset has never passed laws stating these things. This is something that's common in many other legal systems. By doing so, it created the right of equality, the freedom of speech, the right to demonstrate, freedom of movement, freedom of religion, freedom from religion, and many others. All that in spite of the fact that no basic law states those. It's worth mentioning that many serious experts from both sides of the political spectrum actually think that the system needs a revamp. So why is the government not trying to mend the system or, heaven forbid, create a constitution and prefers to completely destroy the legal system and reshape it the way they want it? Because this is exactly what they're aiming for. They want to destroy the system so the government has absolute power. No checks and balances. Hungary.